Have you ever noticed those gross rings that appear in your toilet that make you start questioning if you really are a clean person?
I know the scrub-free secret for making that ring disappear for 10 years. Krazy Klean Toilet Bowl Cleaner is designed with chemical-free technology, safe for the planet and safe for us.
So now this toilet will never create a stain, a scale. All the water that comes into the tank will be deactivated from being able to cause stains and scales in the bowl.
How do you feel about scrubbing your toilet?
Sucks.
What if I told you I had a device that made you never have to clean your toilet?
Awesome.
I have a confession to make. I haven't cleaned my toilet in 3 years.
I found this product online called Krazy Klean, and basically you just drop it in the toilet tank and it keeps your toilet clean for 10 years.
With superior chemical-free technology, Krazy Klean gives you an eco-friendly cleaning alternative that prevents water from leaving stains and rusty rings in your toilet.
Simply drop Krazy Klean in the back of your toilet tank and never scrub your toilet again.